Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to buy the S&P 500 on Interactive Brokers. First, open the Interactive Brokers app or website. Tap on the search bar at the top. Next, search for the S&P 500 ETF. If you know the name, type in Vanguard S&P 500. If you know their ticker symbol, type it directly. In USD, it's VOO. In Euro, it might be VUSA. Select it from the results and choose it as a stock. You can now view the chart and details. Next, place a buy order. Tap buy. If your account requires trading permissions, request them before continuing. Choose the quantity you want to buy, either in shares or by amount in your currency. Select the order type like market, limit, stop, and etc. For beginners, a market order executes instantly at the current price. Optionally, you can add a profit target or stop loss. Next, confirm the order. Review your order details. Tap Submit Buy Order. If the market is open, your order will execute right away. And that's it. That's how to buy S&P 500 on Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.